What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to start Warrior Plus affiliate marketing for free, and you can make 50 per day or more using this method. And I will show you step by step everything inside this video, and I will show you 3 steps that will needed to complete all this method, and you can apply this method if you are a newbie or an expert. You can easily apply this method and you can promote Warrior Plus products for free, and you can make 50 or more per day just using these simple methods. So guys, let's check into my computer and don't miss any part of this video. I will show you all the tricks, all the tips about uh, inside this video, and you can easily apply this method if you are a newbie or an expert. It doesn't matter, and you don't need to invest any money for applying this method. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JBJu, Warrior Plus, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. And I am working here for last 8 years. And today's video, I will show you how to start Warrior Plus affiliate marketing for free, and you can make 50 per day using this simple method. But before starting this method, first thing is first. If you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos, and new updates inside my YouTube channel. You see here, it's an educational YouTube channel based on online marketing, affiliate marketing, and I am uploading videos in the daily basis. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel: how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner, how to promote CP offers, how to promote ClickBank affiliate links, how to make passive money, how to get unlimited Facebook traffic. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. If you want to start your affiliate marketing journey, online marketing journey, and on to long run your online marketing journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer of all of my new upcoming videos. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. In the video description, you will get this, join this 6-figure number on business model, and you will get this here, and you will get unlimited free traffic sources inside this traffic secret. And if you want to make big money, then you have to learn first, and for learning, it's one of the best educational training program for anyone. So join this 6-figure business model for making big money over 10,000 per month. Now guys, let's focus on this video and see how I promote Warrior Plus products for free. And don't miss any part and just follow what I do in this video, and I will show you step by step everything, all the tricks, all the clues, everything I will share inside this video. So if you are a newbie, you can say, I don't know anything, I don't have any idea. Okay, fine, I know it. You have no idea. For this reason you are watching this video. So I will show everything in this video in just 3 steps, and I will show all the key things, all the key facts of this video that will help you to grow your traffic, and traffic means your sale. So guys, I will show you everything in just 3 steps. So step number 1, you have to join Warrior Plus affiliate network. So search warriorplus.com. You see here, free sign up, set free sign up, click here and create your account here. Just simply username, your password, your email address, and you are not a robot, then create account. It's just simple and instant approve. So you will get your Warrior Plus account right now today. Just simply create your account here. Then sign in your Warrior Plus account. Okay, now step number 2, find best product to promote. But before this, I will show you what's the best things about this method. You see here, the best part about this method, you can make 50 per day. It's 100% beginner friendly. Don't need any website, don't need to make videos in front of camera, don't need to make a review, products review, and you don't need to obtain, use mails or use emails, leads, and you don't need to do any social scam. Just go here, click here, see it. Don't need to do anything like this. Okay, now say the find out best product to promote, step number 2. And for this, visit this affiliate offers, and here is one of the tricks in this method. Find out, at first you have to find out the number 1% vendor. You see here, when you see this symbol inside this red bar, then you will realize he is a number 1 vendor of Warrior Plus, and you have to find out those number 1 vendors because you have to promote those vendors product. So you see here, he is one of the number 1 vendor, 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 and you have to promote those vendors product, and it may be old product, it may be a new product, it may be old product, but I prefer you, I recommend you to promote old product. Okay, minimum 2000 plus sales, minimum 3000 plus sales product, that is proven this product is good. This method, this system is quite different. So you have to find out best product from old product. Most of the affiliate marketing videos show you the find out the new product, but in this case you have to find the old product, the proven product that it sells and the conversion rate is good. Okay, you will see here, use the release date, sales, conversion ratio, you see all the details, and find out the number on vendors, and just simply a request for getting approval of those products to promote. And you see here, request approval, and you can write a short note. You see here, hey, I am Raju Bhadro. I have targeted traffic for selling your offer. I am so much interested to promote your product. Please get me approval to promote your products. So this type of few words, few sentence is not mandatory, but you can just use for when you get send the approval request to the vendors. It's not mandatory, but you can write this type of notes just simply, then send a request offer. That's it. You see here, a request has been sent, and within 1 day, 1 hour, anytime this vendor can approve your offers for promote this product. Now you have to send, if you are a newbie, I know you are a newbie, and you have to send minimum, I recommend you to send minimum 40-50 plus products for approval, because most of the vendor, when you are a newbie, most of the vendor don't allow you to promote these products. So when you send 30-40 approval for request approval, then you will get minimum 5 to 10 request approval request for promoting this product. So you need minimum 5 products to get approval using this method. Okay, now step number 2 has been completed. You have to find the old product of number on vendor. Okay, number on vendor and old product, mind these two things, number on vendor and old product. I don't suggest you to promote new product. Okay, number on vendor and old product. Now get traffic for free. In this video or in this traffic method, you can I know, or suppose you have no marketing idea, you have no website, you don't know anything, you have no marketing idea, you can't make videos in front of camera, and for this I make this video, I show this method for getting traffic, and I will show all the key facts of this method, and you have to apply it, you have to follow all these facts, all these key facts for getting results. Okay, now I at first I want to say traffic is the key to online success. You can say a lot of software, a lot of training program, a lot of system, a lot of promotion, a lot of digital products for making money online, but mind it, traffic is the key. If this training program, if this method system can provide you traffic, then you can make money online. But most of the case, you see the software, on click software, unlimited traffic and unlimited sales. On click software makes any URL to videos and get unlimited traffic. It's so much scam yours. No software can help you to make money online. No software can help you to generate traffic for getting online sales. So for getting sales, you have to invest two ways. Number one, time. If you want free traffic, then you have to invest your time, and day by day you have to grow your traffic. Okay, and number two, money. If you have money, then you can run Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, YouTube stream ads, a lot of you can buy solo ads. So for getting traffic, you have to invest two things. One is time, another is money. If you have money, then you can invest your money for getting traffic, and if you don't have money, then you have to grow your traffic day by day gradually. Okay, now I will show you one of the free traffic source, free traffic. And before starting this traffic method, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you first inside my YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside here, so you never be disappointed why I am subscribing this YouTube channel. A lot of helpful content is inside here, and I assure you, I guarantee you, you never be disappointed. And hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be the first viewer of all of my videos. Now get traffic for free, and for this visit YouTube, and you have to use other people's YouTube video as your own. You can say, then how can it's possible YouTube makes copyright issue and banned my channel, banned all of my, delete my videos, remove my videos. No, you have to use YouTube CC videos or reused allowed videos. So you can use other people's CC video or reused allowed video. Suppose if you search how to make money online, okay, how to make money online for free, okay, search this keyword, then visit, and then see here the filter search, and you can see this Creative Commons. Click here and see all those videos are Creative Commons videos. Do you want to check? Okay, if you check this video, you see here Creative Commons attribution license, reused allowed, you see here. Okay, so you have to find out this type of products, then download this video. At first you have to find out this type of videos, then download this video. Okay, then you have to upload your YouTube channel, this video upload your YouTube channel. And you see here, for creating your YouTube channel, go here and you see these settings. Now see here, add or manage your channel, then click here, and you see here, click this create a new channel, and use your own name or any make money related name, anything as you wish, because channel name doesn't matter. If you can provide content in the daily basis, then you will get results day by day. Okay, so channel name doesn't matter. So put your channel name and simply create your YouTube channel, then use your profile picture or use your channel art or channel thumbnail like this. If you see my channel, here is my profile picture, then here is my channel art. You see here, just create a channel art and change your YouTube profile picture. Okay, now you are ready to upload other people's video. Just find out CC video, download those CC videos and upload to your channel as your own video, and you never be get any copyright claim, any banned issues. So you can easily grow your YouTube channel. And after uploading these videos, visit this website Warrior Plus and choose 1 2 3 4 5 post link inside the video description. You will get this video description, and you can use 5 products affiliate link inside your video description, and you will get results day by day. You can make $50 per day Warrior Plus commission. That means not you can make this commission within 7 days. Okay, you have to grow your YouTube channel day by day, and you can make big money day by day. But it's not a overnight results. A lot of people watch this video, and they can say, hey Raju, I already use this CC videos method, but I want to ask, how much videos you upload to your channel, how many days you continue to run your CC videos? Not too many days. you want to get instant result, quick results, but it's not possible. I already said it. If you want to get free traffic, then you have to grow your traffic day by day gradually. You don't get overnight. So you have to upload videos in the daily basis, and you have to wait to grow your YouTube channel. If you can say, if you creating your channel, uploading one or two videos, and if you can make money, then 100% of marketer can use this method, apply this system and make money. But it's not possible. You have to be patient, then you can get results day by day. Okay, so find out this make money related CC video, affiliate marketing related CC video, home business related CC video, work from home related CC videos, and upload to your channel, and add description, and use minimum 5 affiliate links inside your description. Okay, so step number 3 has been completed. So guys, if this video help you to start your Warrior Plus affiliate marketing journey, then like this video. If you have any question, I am always here to reply your question and your queries. So don't forget to comment in the comment box if you have any questions, and don't forget to share these videos to others, to your friends and other people. Now I will show you important fact of this YouTube method. Okay, just focus it. If you want to get results, if you want to get better results, if you want to get real results, then you have to maintain all these facts about this method. And number one, you have to upload videos regularly, minimum 4 or 5 videos. One videos take highest 30 minutes to upload your channel, so you have to make 4 or 5 videos per day. Okay, 100 plus videos per month, mind it. Number 2, make super IKC title. You can say I have no idea now how can I make IKC title. Okay, see it see it how to start affiliate. You see here how to start affiliate marketing. Now follow other people's title and follow which videos make more view. Just copy, don't copy 100%, but just get the theme of the title. You see here how to start affiliate marketing for beginners, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners to earn money, 6 tips for affiliate marketing for beginners in 2020, how many make money or Warrior Plus marketing in Hindi, how to start affiliate marketing step by step for beginners. So you can follow other people's title to make your IKC title. Okay, now number 3, make IKC thumbnail. Thumbnail is one of the most important fact in YouTube, and you have to make IKC thumbnail. Okay, then use related hashtags and short description about the video. When you upload your videos, then obviously use related hashtags, and you have to describe about your videos in just few sentences inside your YouTube description. Okay, and number 5, share your videos in various make money related Facebook group, LinkedIn, Twitter. And when you share your videos in LinkedIn or Twitter, then obviously use hashtags. Then your video will reach in a lot of people. If you don't use hashtag, then your video never reach to other people. So continue these tags 2 or 3 months. I 100% guarantee you can get results. So guys, That's it. And if you want to get more Warrior Plus, more JPG marketing, affiliate marketing related videos, then you will get check in my YouTube videos, and you will get a lot of Warrior Plus, JBju, ClickBank related videos, CPA marketing videos, traffic related videos, or you can check my playlist for getting a lot of affiliate marketing, traffic, CPA offers, every kind of videos. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates. And you see here, it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing. So you never be frustrated to subscribe my YouTube channel. And you see here, I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside here. And finally, if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. You will get this join 6-figure number on business model today, and you see here, and you will get unlimited buyer traffic for free inside my video description. So guys, that's it. Follow all these 3 steps, join to affiliate Warrior Plus affiliate network, then find out the best product to promote. And in this case, you have to mind in two things. One is you have to choose the old product of number on vendors, then get your traffic for free using other people's video, and you have to follow all the key facts for getting results 100% assured. So guys, that's it. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon. God bless you.